Comfort, durability, and style matter when choosing seating that enhances backyard gatherings, patio relaxation, and weekend lounging, while standing up to weather, sun exposure, and frequent use. Best outdoor lawn chairs combine design, comfort, and value for every outdoor space. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started.
Number 1. GCI Rocker Lawn Chair. The GCI Rocker Lawn Chair is an excellent choice for anyone who enjoys relaxing outdoors with comfort and convenience. Designed with versatility in mind, this chair works just as well by a campfire as it does on the sidelines of a sports game or during a backyard barbecue. Its standout feature is the patented spring-action rocking technology, which allows for smooth, gentle rocking on a wide range of surfaces, including grass, dirt, sand, and even hard ground. Shock absorbers enhance stability, creating a calming rocking motion that feels natural and relaxing wherever you set it up. Comfort is a major strength, thanks to the supportive backrest, solid armrests, and breathable mesh backing that promotes airflow on warm days. A built-in beverage holder keeps drinks within easy reach, making it easy to stay relaxed without constantly getting up. The sturdy steel frame supports up to 250 pounds, providing confidence and durability for regular use. Setup and pack down are impressively simple due to the Easy Fold technology, allowing the chair to be opened or closed in seconds with minimal effort. Despite its solid construction, the chair remains portable at under 12 pounds, making it easy to carry to campsites, parks, or events. Overall, the GCI Rocker Lawn Chair delivers a blend of comfort, smart engineering, and portability, making it a dependable option for outdoor enthusiasts who value relaxation and ease of use.
Number 2. SUNNYFEEL Trip Lawn Chair. The SUNNYFEEL Trip Lawn Chair is thoughtfully designed for outdoor enthusiasts who appreciate practicality, durability, and smart storage features. Built in a director-style design, this chair offers excellent support and stability while remaining easy to transport and store. The anti-pinching and click-to-lock mechanism makes setup quick and safe, allowing users to open and secure the chair without hassle. Its compact folded size and included carry bag with handle straps make it easy to bring along to camping trips, concerts, festivals, or sporting events. One of the chair's strongest features is its built-in storage, including a side table with integrated beverage and phone holders, as well as front multi-pockets that provide ample space for books, magazines, tablets, keys, and wallets. Comfort is enhanced by the breathable fabric and supportive seating position, allowing you to relax for extended periods. Constructed with a sturdy steel frame, the chair supports up to 300 pounds, making it a reliable option for a wide range of users. The durable Oxford cloth and mesh materials add to its longevity while maintaining airflow on warm days. Versatility is another highlight, as this chair adapts easily to camping, beach outings, backyard gatherings, fishing trips, and more. Overall, the SUNNYFEEL Trip Lawn Chair is a well-rounded, heavy-duty outdoor chair that combines comfort, storage, and ease of use, making it a practical companion for nearly any outdoor activity.
Number 3. Let's Camp Lawn Chair. The Let's Camp Lawn Chair is built for those who want maximum comfort and strength during outdoor activities. Designed with high-quality materials, this chair features a padded, ergonomic backrest and durable 600D Oxford fabric that provide a comfortable seating experience even during long periods of use. Its powder-coated steel frame and reinforced armrests contribute to impressive stability, supporting up to 450 pounds, which makes it suitable for a wide range of users. Despite its heavy-duty construction, the chair remains relatively lightweight and easy to carry, folding down into a compact shape that fits conveniently in storage or a vehicle. Setup is quick and straightforward, requiring only a few simple steps, making it ideal for spontaneous outdoor trips. The chair includes several thoughtful convenience features, such as a mesh cup holder for drinks and a built-in insulated cooler that can hold multiple beverage bottles and keep them cool. A multifunctional side pocket provides space for phones, keys, books, or magazines, allowing you to keep essentials close at hand. Its versatile design makes it suitable for camping, fishing, picnics, concerts, hiking, or casual outdoor relaxation. Overall, the Let's Camp lawn chair offers an excellent combination of comfort, strength, and practical features, making it a dependable choice for anyone looking for a durable and well-equipped outdoor seating solution.
Number 4. Sweetcrispy Lounge Lawn Chair. The Sweetcrispy Lounge Lawn Chair is designed for people who want true relaxation wherever they go, whether that's the beach, a campsite, the backyard, or poolside. This chair stands out for its zero-gravity reclining design, which allows your body to rest in a natural, pressure-relieving position. With the ability to adjust smoothly between 0 and 160 degrees, you can sit upright for reading, recline for sunbathing, or fully lean back for a comfortable nap. The lockable mechanism ensures the chair stays securely in your chosen position, giving you confidence and stability while relaxing. Built with a durable metal frame, the chair supports up to 330 pounds, making it sturdy enough for a wide range of users. Despite its solid construction, it remains relatively lightweight at just over 15 pounds, making it easy to carry, transport, and store. The folding design allows the chair to be set up or packed away quickly, which is especially useful for travel and outdoor trips. Comfort is further enhanced by the ergonomic shape that follows the natural curve of your waist and spine, helping reduce strain during extended use. The abrasion-resistant fabric is specifically made for outdoor environments, offering excellent breathability to keep you cool on warm days, while also being easy to clean after use. Elastic cords allow the fabric to adapt to your body shape, adding to the overall comfort. Versatile and practical, the Sweetcrispy Lounge Lawn Chair is ideal for anyone looking for a reliable, comfortable, and adjustable outdoor chair that delivers a relaxing experience in almost any setting.
Number 5. Giantex 330 lbs Lawn Chair. The Giantex 330 lbs Lawn Chair is a practical and comfortable seating option designed for everyday use both outdoors and indoors. With a clean, straightforward design, these chairs fit seamlessly into patios, gardens, poolside areas, backyards, and even dining spaces. One of the biggest advantages of this chair set is its stackable design, which allows multiple chairs to be neatly stacked together when not in use, making storage simple and space-efficient. Comfort is a key focus, thanks to the ergonomic backrest and gently curved armrests that provide solid lumbar support and help prevent fatigue during extended sitting. The seat and backrest are made from all-weather resistant fabric that is breathable, quick-drying, and durable, ensuring comfort even on hot summer days. With a weight capacity of up to 330 pounds, the chair offers dependable stability and support. Anti-slip foot pads protect floors and outdoor surfaces from scratches, while improving balance on different terrains. Assembly is minimal and user-friendly, requiring fewer parts and less time compared to many other patio chairs. Overall, the Giantex lawn chair delivers a strong balance of durability, comfort, and convenience, making it an excellent choice for anyone seeking reliable seating for casual outdoor relaxation, social gatherings, or everyday use. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.